Okay, so the S4 Money Pit Project, bringing it back to life. So, come right out. Just a little dusty, but of course, yes, the glass separation. This guy definitely is giving me a lot of work here to get all this, undo what he did. It is going to be quite the nightmare. I've actually taken off a lot of the tape already. But I'm going to try my best to make this as good looking as possible. Not to mention, yeah, it's real crispy. Extremely crispy. Not even going to use, what do you call it on there? Okay, let's see. I believe this has to be tucked around or something. I'll figure it out. But believe it or not, this glass is kind of floating. It's not really attached to the top per se. It's very odd looking this stuff up, and it's just a common issue on these and many other convertible tops, unfortunately. But other than that, top's in decent shape. Does the convertible work? No, of course it doesn't. I mean, but I could fix that also. I do believe I know the issue, but I really do have to fix this because this is more important aesthetically, if you ask me. And the other issue is that, winter's coming and I got to get it done. It is what it is. I could always put the top up and down manually, but this is definitely a first step. So what am I going to do? What's my secret weapon here? I'm hoping that my little steamer can do the job. Never know. Well, I got to try. That's really what it comes down to see if this can get some. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, of course it does. Looks like it is. I just, you know what it is? I don't want to rip anything. I don't want to tear anything. I just want to get rid of this old tape, the old crappy glue, without destroying this thing. And slowly, not in a rush. I got all winter, and it's only November 1st, so it is what it is, I think if I slowly do this, I could possibly do it. I also do have plastic razor blades, which I rather use. I don't want to take any chances of cutting this thing. The fun continues. Yes. Just like every other A4 and S4 top, this thing is effed. So it only gets worse. I've been peeling off tape. Not to mention the top doesn't work, so it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of residue on there. Yeah, it's going to be difficult to try to undo what others have done in the past. Especially with the glue. You can see even down... Oh, hold on. Trying to get the light in a way. There we go. Just a lot. What? What do you want? Psst. Come on. I don't know. Guess I need a new top, possibly. I may have a parts car. I gotta find out how hard it is to take off this top. It just doesn't look like a lot of fun, but I don't know. What does one do, right? I know that this layer actually stays versus the other. I don't know, maybe I can learn this. YouTube is great. You watch what others do and maybe figure it out. I may just need that parts car. We shall see.